Guys, notice how this UFO is travelling to the right. It notices this aircraft. It dips low, turns back on itself, and starts to follow the aircraft into the clouds. What the hell is going on with this? This is just mind-blowing. We can see that it notices it. Watch, you'll see. Bam. It starts to follow it. And why is it flashing? What's that all about? Like and subscribe for more. Cheers, guys. Here's a late edition just added to my Instagram account. Go check it out. You'll find loads of UFO videos there. And yeah, another up close. These are what the UFOs are. These orbs. Interdimensional, maybe. Tell us what you think, guys.